Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some great news. Instagram lets us now stream straight to it using OBS, vMix, or whatever software that you're using for streaming. As long as you have the streaming keys that Instagram is providing for you, you can use it there to stream straight to it. I think you can even stream from Zoom. Yeah. But the challenge of streaming from Zoom, you're going to have a problem with the camera or your canvas. Let me show you what I mean. So let's go to Instagram first and see how you set it up, and then we can explain everything later on. So now we're here on Instagram, and this is my page. You log into your Instagram page, and then you go on the left there. Then you go create, and then live video, and then you get this pop-up window. So you're going to say, let's see, stream testing. Just gonna name our streaming, and from there you select your audience. Either you go public or you want to practice. For the benefit of this video, let's do practice. Then you go next, and then it's going to open another window where you have your streaming URL and your streaming key. Now, if you click on copy on streaming URL, this is the copy that you're going to paste onto OBS. So let's go to OBS and see how we do this. Right, you go to settings on OBS, but before then, notice that my canvas is on 16 by 9. Instagram doesn't let you stream there. It will cut it half. The middle part will only show. So all you need to do is before you start streaming, you go settings, and then you go to video, and then your base canvas and your output should be 720 by 1080, I think. Yeah, but it should be 720 by 1280. Yeah, 720 by 1280. That would be your aspect ratio, and your frames, 30 frames. For me it works okay, no drop frames. And also have to come to your output. So your streaming output, I think Instagram lets you stream I think 25. Anything higher than 25, I think it's going to give you issues, but I stand to be corrected here. But if you set it up on 25, which is the standard, um, it should work without dropping any frames, right? And your video, yeah, we've done the video. Now you got the streaming. Remember, we copied from Instagram, we copied the streaming URL. That streaming URL, you choosing custom, and then you paste here your streaming URL. You go back to Instagram, and then you copy your streaming key. The streaming key will be here. Then you paste it there. When you're done, you just click OK, and you'll notice that your canvas will have changed. Mine, because I'm recording on this, the canvas will be on 16 by 9. But for Instagram, it's 720 by 1280. So if you're streaming, let's say you're streaming a video, that video either must be the same aspect ratio, or it could be a 16 by 9, but make sure it's shrunk, or you get it right, that it fits into the center part of the video, which your canvas already would have been um, 720 by 1280. So everything will be here. So your video, your 16 by 9 video will feature like this. But anything else, you notice when you using a camera, you make sure that you centered, and very close to the camera, maybe a little bit further away, so that you don't fill the whole frame. You just fit in there nicely there. So basically that's how you stream to Instagram using OBS or vMix or any other software that you use. Now, initially I said that it might be a problem to stream straight from Zoom, because Zoom already your canvas is on 16 by 9, or it takes your camera, aspect ratio. So you will need to be in the center of the frame, so that when you're streaming straight to OBS, Instagram, you're in the center. If you stand on the side, okay, let me come here closer to the mic. So if these are the frames there, your aspect ratio, then you're on the side. That's how it's going to look. So you need to be centered on your camera so that you are able to show and fill up the frame properly. Now, this is all I can share with you for now. I hope this will help you and improve your streaming opportunities. Happy streaming. I'm signing out, and my name is Nao Morapedi.